A machine that's older doesn't necessarily mean that its value is diminished. For instance, an older vehicle that's a 1950s or 60 vintage, I've seen out there on the market skyrocket past the value of a machine that's made by the same manufacturer that was made today.
A customer comes to us and they need to make some sort of decision about their assets, whether that's selling them through the dealer's market, which is what Sigma does, auctioning them, liquidating the assets of any sort. They come to us to help them make an informed decision about their assets.
Insurance purposes, bankruptcies, we provide services to banks and financial institutions. We've also started recently working with financial investors. It goes hand in hand with the recovery business for our recovery clients. If they're divesting a plant or closing a facility, they need to appraise that equipment to understand what the total strategic cost is for that facility. We add that value now with the Sigma Appraisal division.
So the main things that we would look at is definitely the make, model, age, condition, location, the market that you're looking to divest your asset in. All of these factors play a part in what kind of value your asset's worth. Do you want to sell it on the dealer's market? Are you looking to buy something new? Are you replacing an asset that you have? Do you want to auction it? So we decide whatever the best need is for them, and then that's where I go on and give them that worth. Like, what is the worth of your assets if you were to head down that path? We've been tracking information for 20 plus years, so our database is one of the most extensive ones that you'll see when it comes to the logistics, freight, shipping, the purchase cost, selling costs in different markets.
We have equipment literature, we have the machinery documentation, we have previous machines that have been in our inventory in the past. So for instance, if we had a machine here 5 years ago, the exact same make and model will come through the door and we'll say, aha, we've seen that before, we're able to utilize that documentation specifications in order to provide the correct information and specifications for the machine for our customers.
There's so much standards that you have to abide by before you can give someone your opinion of value. And that's what appraisal is. It's your appropriate opinion of value given your intended use for the appraisal. Accreditation means you're USPAP compliant. USPAP is the Uniform Standards of Appraisal Practice, and that's like the constitution of appraisals. So when you say I am USPAP certified, like you're on a whole new level of your ethics standards, your regulations, everything that you have to meet to say, I have confidence in the report that I'm giving a client. We're giving the price that we've seen from our 20 plus years of experience in the industry. Our value is the market value. No one knows equipment like Sigma does.